Imagine waking up to find that your biometric residence permit, your key to living and working in the UK, is set to expire and no new ones will be issued. A bit of a jolt, isn't it? Well, that's the reality for many, as the UK has rolled out a surprising new rule. All biometric residence permits, often referred to as BRPs, will expire in December 2024, with no new ones being issued. Now, for those who aren't familiar with the term, a BRP is an essential document for immigrants in the UK. It serves as proof of the holder's right to stay, work or study in the country. It's a vital piece of the immigration puzzle. So with this significant shift, it's understandable why many might be taken aback. This change is without a doubt a shock to many. But what does it mean for immigrants in the UK? For immigrants, the BRP is more than just a card, it's a lifeline. So what happens when this lifeline is taken away? The biometric residence permit has been a critical tool for immigrants in the United Kingdom, providing proof of their right to work, rent a property, and access services like healthcare. It's a physical representation of their legal status and a key to a world of opportunities. But with the impending expiration of all BRPs in December 2024, this lifeline is set to disappear. Imagine being an immigrant, and overnight, your proof of legal status, your right to work, your access to healthcare, and your ability to rent a house all hang in the balance. It's a daunting and unsettling reality for many who have come to call the UK home. For instance, consider employment. Without a valid BRP, employers may hesitate to hire, fearing legal repercussions. This could lead to job insecurity and financial instability for many immigrants. In the realm of healthcare, the BRP expiry may create hurdles in accessing necessary medical services. Without a valid permit, immigrants could face delays or even denial of healthcare, potentially putting lives at risk. And then there's housing. Many landlords require proof of legal status before renting properties. Without a valid BRP, immigrants may face difficulties in securing a place to live. Beyond these tangible issues, there's an emotional toll as well. The uncertainty looming over their future can create a sense of fear and anxiety among immigrants. It's a psychological burden that can be just as heavy as the practical challenges. The implications of this change are far-reaching and potentially life-altering for many immigrants. But there may be more to this than meets the eye. The end of the BRP era not only changes the landscape for immigrants, but also promises a new chapter in the UK's immigration policy. As we delve deeper, we'll uncover what might lie ahead. Stay tuned. While the discontinuation of biometric residence permits seems alarming, it could be part of a larger plan for a more efficient system. You see, one of the potential reasons behind this shakeup might be the move towards digital status checks. The UK government could be looking to streamline their processes and make the system more efficient. And this isn't just speculation. We've seen similar moves towards digitization in other areas, such as banking and healthcare. It's a global trend, and it seems that immigration is catching up. If we delve a bit deeper, the benefits of a digital system are manifold. For starters, it could mean increased convenience for everyone involved. Imagine not having to carry around a physical permit, worrying about losing it or getting it damaged. Instead, your status could be just a few clicks away, accessible anytime and anywhere. But that's not all. A digital system could also mean decreased instances of fraud. With advanced security measures in place, it would be much harder for anyone to forge a digital status. This not only protects the system from abuse, but also ensures that everyone who is living and working in the UK has a legitimate right to do so. Moreover, this move could also be seen as a step towards a more modern, forward-thinking approach to immigration. It's about recognizing that the world is changing and adapting to these changes. It's about embracing technology and leveraging its potential to make things better. However, it's crucial to remember that any new system will have its challenges. There might be initial teething problems, and it could take some time for everyone to adjust. But in the long run, these changes could pave the way for a more efficient, effective, and fair immigration system. So while the road ahead may seem daunting, it could also lead to a more streamlined and modern approach to immigration. Let's keep an open mind, stay informed, and navigate these changes together. After all, change is the only constant in life. Change is inevitable, but knowledge is power. This statement is as true today as it's ever been. In this ever-changing world, particularly when it comes to immigration policies, staying informed is not just an option, but a necessity. As we've seen with the recent changes to the biometric residence permits in the UK, rules can shift, and it's up to us to adapt accordingly. Understanding the new rules is the first step towards preparing for them. This doesn't mean simply knowing what the changes are, but also comprehending how they affect you and what you need to do to stay compliant. It's crucial to keep abreast of the latest developments, so you're not caught off guard. Adapting to these changes doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right information and a clear understanding, you'll be able to navigate these changes with confidence. Remember, the more you know, the better you can navigate these changes and make the best decisions for your future in the UK. In times of change, community matters more than ever. Now, more than ever, we need to stand together, to share information, to support each other. That's what the global immigration community is all about. It's a space where you can find the latest updates, ask questions, and connect with others who are navigating the same journey. When you subscribe to our channel, you're not just clicking a button, you're joining a community of people who are committed to staying informed and prepared. You're ensuring that you won't miss out on any important updates that could affect your journey. In the face of new rules and changing landscapes, knowledge is power. And in this community, we share that power with each other. We share the latest news, the most current advice, and the support you need to navigate your path. By joining our community, you're taking a step towards staying informed, prepared, and connected. Subscribe now, and let's navigate these changes together.